English together.
Talking about travel.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
Hi, Jack. I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm good too, thanks.
So, I heard you went on a trip. Where did you go?
Yes, I went to Paris last week.
Wow, that sounds great. What did you like most?
I liked walking around Paris. I also saw the Eiffel Tower.
That sounds exciting. Did you eat any French food?
Yes, I ate croissants. They were delicious.
Nice. Paris is on my travel list.
Have you traveled anywhere lately?
Yes, I went to Hong Kong.
Oh, Hong Kong. That's great. How was it?
It was amazing. It is a busy city. I saw many tall buildings, bright signs, and lots of people. The view of the harbor was fantastic.
That sounds really nice. Did you try any local food?
Yes, I had dim sum. It was very tasty.
That sounds amazing.
So, where do you want to go next?
I want to visit Thailand next. I want to try the spicy food there.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.